In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack. We'll start right from the main dashboard. So imagine you've just logged into your Substack account. The first thing you'll notice is the center of the screen. This is where you see other people's posts, kind of like a feed. You can scroll through here to read what writers you follow are publishing and discover new content as well. It's a great place to get a feel for what others are doing before you start creating your own work. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see suggested accounts. These are recommendations based on what's popular or what might match your interests. If you find something that looks interesting, you can click into a writer's profile and decide whether you want to subscribe. Now, look over to the left side. There's a vertical panel with several tabs. These tabs help you navigate around Substack. You'll see options like Home, Subscriptions, Chat, Activity, Explore, Dashboard, and Profile. Home brings you back to your main feed. Subscriptions shows the newsletters you're subscribed to. Chat lets you take part in community conversations. Activity shows notifications, like who's commented or subscribed. Explore is where you discover new writers and publications. Dashboard and Profile are more focused on your own work, and we'll dive into those next. At the bottom of this left-hand panel, you'll see a Create button. This is where you start publishing your own content. When you click Create, a menu appears with different options. You can create notes, full articles, podcasts, videos, live sessions, or use the recording studio. Even if you're just getting started, it's useful to know these options are here so you can experiment with different formats as your audience grows. Next, click on Dashboard in that same left panel. This takes you to your publications dashboard, which is like the control center for your Substack. On the left side of this dashboard, you'll see more tabs, including Home, Website, Posts, Podcasts, Chats, Live Video, Subscribers, Growth, Stats, and Creator tools like Help and Settings. Some of these tabs expand to reveal more options when you click on them, letting you fine-tune the way you publish and interact with your readers. Finally, to get to your profile, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Profile. Here, you'll see your publications, your subscriber count, and another Create button. You'll also find tabs that let you switch between your activity, your own posts, the posts you've liked, and your reads. This page gives you a clear snapshot of how you show up on Substack, both as a creator and as a reader.